Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, April 2nd, 2009. Today we had a total of 9 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 5 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, as it intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and free live chat room can be accessed via our website at www.eminijunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right around 8:26.75, and we had this large overnight run up, and there was actually a play last night around 10:30, somewhere in that time frame, to try to get into this move to the upside. But there was a huge gap up, and we opened up and started trading down to our moving average. Immediately got a signal to go long, got our first signal off. Did not get a follow through immediately for our second signal, and actually got stopped out of our second contract. Kind of chopped sideways a little bit. As we came down through, started breaking down a little bit, we did get a signal to go short. No can do on that one. We didn't even get our first signal off. We got a full stop out of 7 ticks on each contract for a total of 14 ticks to the downside. But on that stop out, like so many times, we came back, immediately got a signal to go long. That signal did produce targets 1 and targets 2, broke up through our opening price action and got us 14 ticks and ran right up to the overnight highs and actually busted through those overnight highs, signified by this pink line. As we actually started trading down below those levels of resistance that became support and now became resistance. We took the signal off that resistance pullback to the downside, got our first signal, did not get follow through down towards the open where we were hoping to. So we ended up losing on this entry one of our contracts on our adjusted stop for -2 ticks. And then that upside move just chopped us right up, came down, got a signal to go long. So everything we had made a couple of trades ago, we gave right back again. Full stop out for both contracts for 14 ticks to the downside. So this morning, even though the market just kind of chopped sideways and we kind of got chopped right along with it. Right at 10:45 though, our confirmation time, there was an opportunity on a shelf trade, but most of the folks took an extension signal, and that signal was right here. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 13 ticks going into the 11:30 trading hour. At 11:30 we stopped trading. That's our dead zone. So we did not take any trades during this red time. We actually put our high of the day in during the lunchtime dead zone. Coming out of lunch, we were trading a little bit off of our highs, and we moved back down towards our previous overnight highs, this pink line again, and we got a little bit of a bounce off that area, and as we traded up through the moving average, we got a signal to go long, and so has it, we got stopped out to the tick on that particular move and did not get a chance to get our contract off before it went screaming higher. But again, on the rebound, came back to our moving average. We got a opportunity to get long, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2. We made up 11 ticks of the 14 ticks that we got stopped out of on the previous trade, and then basically traded higher. And right at the close, now this is an interesting setup. Right at the close, not the close, our stopping time, which is 3 p.m. we stop our trades. We had this large swing down, and that swing came back up, and this is still the 3 o'clock time frame. We got a signal to go short right at 3 p.m. and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2. We just had to manage that trade into the close, but that did produce 13 ticks. So that was our day. We had a total of 9 trades for 5 positive ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this trading plan, including chart setups, or to join our free daily chat room and video newsletter, please visit www.eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.